Hi there. This video is a quick fix of JavaFX errors for beginners. The most known, the most errors that you are going to meet is the package javafx.fxml file does not exist, and the error JavaFX runtime components are missing an exception running application sample main. And I will show you how to actually quick fix some of these. So here's what you need. You need to download your javafx file from gluon at this link and add the javafx library to your project in project structure if you're using IntelliJ, and add VM machines in editing configurations, and make sure your controller is set properly on a file.fxml. And uh, so you can see here, uh, if you run this for the first time without actually downloading the javafx.fxml file, you run into this error here, which are showing that the package the package does not exist. Package does not exist. And if you run this, it won't run because the javafxml package does not exist, and you'll see a bunch of errors there. So in order to fix this, you have to go to project structure and libraries, and click on the plus sign there, and click on Java, and go to your library where you downloaded your javafxml file. So you click javafxml SDK, the version file, and go to your library, and mark all. If you're using a Mac machine, just mark all the fxml files and open them, and then click on there, and save that, and click apply or just OK. And then if you see now, everything changes, and you will see this error will run away, will be removed. And now there is another one which is showing up, which is saying error javafx runtime components are missing and are required to run this application. And this means that your application will run if you do not have the javafx runtime components. So you need now to set up the javafx the virtual machine. So you can click modify, and then add VM options, and then in VM options you need to add the modules. You need to add the modules path. You need to add the modules path and add the modules. So I have this I have this done already. I have the link, I have the path and the link saved in my text edit, and I can just copy that, command C, and go back to IntelliJ and paste that in VM options, VM machines, and this will just do the trick. So you just need to copy your path, and paste it there. Just copy your path where your library is. So I'll go to where my library is and show you how to copy the path. So mine is in Macintosh and users, and my name there, and in idea projects, and in SDK, javafx SDK version, blah blah blah, and library. And then I mark one and get this information, and copy the link, the path, and that's all. Then close that, close all those unnecessary pages, and go back to IntelliJ and paste that in there. Yeah, you can now see the library there and the modules that will be added below there, and then everything is now fine. Okay, and we run again. Click run, and now it acts like it's gonna run. It's not running, and yeah, you can see there is nothing there. It's empty. Then we go back to IntelliJ, we see a whole bunch of errors, and yeah, this is the error javafx and yeah, run again and see what happens, and you see it's still not showing. So you need to fix this error, exception blah blah blah, and yeah, exception in application start method. We need to fix that error, and then we'll all be good to go. So you can go to your fxml file, and you'll see that the fx controller is not set. So the name, in fact, on mine the name is wrong, and is com.sample instead of sample.controller. It's com.sample controller instead of sample.controller. So if I change that name, remove the dot, and sample.controller, there it is. And then I'm pretty sure the error is gone now. We can run again, and boom, the my GUI is now working. It's now running. You can close that, and that's the end of it. And I hope this video helps save somebody some time, because I went through a lot of time just to get this just to get to have my first GUI running. So that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching and good luck.